Today we're on a property doing some basic maintenance with the Ventrac. The first thing we did was that we mowed the yard with a 60-inch finish deck and left beautiful stripes. After we got done with that, we put the edger on and edged this entire driveway, which hadn't been done in a while. As a contractor, you can add extra value to your customers by adding other attachments like the edger. As a benefit to the contractor, the edger is much faster than doing this with a string trimmer by hand or with a powered edger that's walk-behind. This edger also does a better job in conditions like this where the grass is very close to the concrete and hasn't been edged in a long time, and you're actually trying to take away a good bit of material. This driveway in particular is a good example of how capable the edger is on curved areas as well. This comes in handy on intricate driveways like this, but also in corporate complexes or on a golf course cart path. You'll also notice that on this edger we have the optional blower kit, so as we move along, the blower is blowing the debris back into the yard. In some spots here where we're removing a lot of material, it doesn't send it very far, but if you're just edging to cleanup pass, and you're getting grass mostly with a little bit of loose soil, the edger will make all of that stuff disappear, so it's truly a one-pass operation. Before you start using the Ventrac Edger, it's important that you invest the time to set it up correctly. Before we started this driveway, I took about 10 to 15 minutes to adjust the disc angle. Since we wanted to be more aggressive, I ran this disc towed out, which means the leading edge of the disc is further away from the driveway than the following edge of the disc. The other adjustment I made was the depth adjustment. We control that on the Ventrac Edger with the left front wheel by raising it or lowering it so that it allows the disc to sink further or not quite as far into the ground as you're cutting. An edger responds very well to all of the adjustments that can be made on it, so before you start a job like this, make sure you invest the time to make those adjustments and test in an area so that you know you're getting exactly the results that you want. For reference, in this video we used a 4500Z, an MS600 side discharge mower deck, and the ED202 edger. If you want to find out information on those products or their pricing, check out our website at ventrac.com. For now, check out some other videos on our YouTube channel and enjoy.